keeping this girl? Adam, what's the delay all about?
My princess, sorry, the fruit salad is ready.
Be fast. How about the food?
I'll soon be serving it now.
It's okay. It's fine. Anyway, your picture collections are wow.
Wow.
And my professional agency would like to take some nice professional pictures in the professional studio.
I'm looking forward to it.
You can be sure of that.
Take out the cover.
Sorry, my princess.
You can't even serve properly.
Sorry, let me get water.
Okay.
The proper meal is here.
Yeah, looks nice. Shall we? Yeah. Salty.
Are you serious? Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Let me even taste it. Ada! Ada!
My princess, you called me.
Stupid. Are you mad? Shh, what is this? I asked you to make a meal, not poison. How do you expect us to eat this?
Princess, I don't understand.
Why would you understand when you're stupid? Why would you understand? This is too salty. We can't even have this. You ruined this moment. You see why I said you don't like beautiful moments? Now take this out of my sight.
Sorry, my princess.
It's okay.
Lousy idiot. Good for nothing food. I'm so sorry. I am sincerely sorry. I apologize. Okay. Or maybe we should go to any of the 5-star restaurants and have something.
Those fruits are lovely, princess. I love them.
I'm sorry.
I'm sure she must have learned her lessons by now.
They never learn.
With humility, I say good son that they respect everybody and that they serve everybody. But they say that too they carry shoulder.
Stubborn flies follows the corpse to the grave.
Welcome, my friend.
Is this what you have reduced yourself to by disobeying me?
I can never disrespect the throne. And maybe that's why we're having this conversation.
David, just accept the job of satisfying me on bed and I will make you a wealthy man with billions.
I do not want your billions. And I will appreciate if you get out of this place this minute. Else I will tell to everyone who cares to hear.
David, think about it.
Hey, you look great in your pictures. Don't tell me I won't see your handsome face today. Okay, so where exactly are you? Hi. Oh, I can't bring him to meet my parents. It's too early. Hello? Oh, sorry, network. Okay, fine. I could meet you up.
I'm in the hotel room, just chilling, thinking about you. All I do these days is just thinking about you. Yeah. Wow. Do you miss me? I know you don't miss me, I know. But I miss you loads. I miss you every single second of the day. I miss you. Yeah. It's up to you. When do you want us to see? If you want me to come down tomorrow, if you want me to come down next tomorrow, I'm available for you. Baby, don't say that now. Huh? You're hurting me when you say these things, yeah? Yes. Yes, I mean it. I mean it 100%. You know what? You make me promise.
Okay, when you're done with whatever you're doing, just let me know the restaurant. I could meet you up. Let's just hang out and have a drink. All right. I'll be waiting. All right. Let me get ready. All right, bye. See you pretty soon. He's actually a fine boy.
Ebere, so how is the palace now?
As usual. From one problem to the other.
So, what is the relationship between the king and his queen?
Very cold.
Yeah.
Very cold. In fact, they don't even smile at each other.
Is you?
Yes.
So tell me, do you think the king is sleeping or having an affair with the cook?
I think he's sleeping with my second cleaner, Esther.
Esther? Yes. That means we don't have luxury of time to waste. Yes.
What do you think we should do?
Wait. Take this. Take it. Put it in his food or drink. It will make him very active. And make sure you give it to him very hot. Ebi? That, hey!
Hot.
Very hot.
I will not let you.
You can take it from behind, doggy, like this. It better start growing.
Let me finish this.
No! I will do the cooking now.
Yeah.
You have better job to do. Hide it. Put it very well. Know that your bra. Don't worry. I will buy you a better bra. Oh,
Okay.
oh yeah. Run along.
I will not disappoint.
Hey, you will dare not now.
Trust me this time.
A man wear one.
Una forgot.
Big easy. Hey! This is not even important. I've lost my appetite.
So we need to have 6 more packets of Tom Tom. And the biscuit is going down, so we need that as well.
David, but you're not doing badly at all. Can you take a look at your shop? You're doing so well for yourself. And I've always known you to be a go-getter.
It is better to work for yourself than to work in a palace that is full of hell.
I can imagine.
Mm-hmm.
Please, I want water.
Okay,
Let
go
me
ahead.
serve myself.
Yeah, serve yourself.
David.
Greetings, my queen.
David, have you thought about what I...
Greetings, my queen.
You have really finished him.
David, what is she talking about?
Don't worry about it. There's nothing to spoil your day. Come, let's sit down.
My son, you know, it is said that when a child washes his hands clean, then he will dine with the elders. Let us continue drinking till my son come back, then you go ahead.
All right,
Take
sir.
your drink.
Thank you so much, sir.
Mr. Man, what are you doing here? Who invited you to my house? Papa, you see my problem with you, Papa? You see why I always have a problem with you?
Uka, take it easy.
Do you have any business with him?
I don't have.
Do you know him before?
He's waiting for you.
So what is he doing here?
Continue. Let me go inside. You continue with your discussions. It's your mate or your friend. Let me go inside. Oh yes, take your seat.
Yeah, be calming down. Where else do you think I'll find you without that Amanda girl and that swollen big-headed guy, Ibu or whatever? Yeah? Where do you think I'll find you without them? In your house, of course. Relax.
Wait, is that what gave you the audacity to come to my house?
What else will give me that audacity to come to your house? See, this whole parole of a thing, we need to take it to another level before it cast.
Cast? But who told you to cast?
Are you trusting that your boss and himself, that Amanda of a girl? This whole thing is going to cast. Let's make money. I'm always talking about this money. Money like the important parcel. Let's take it to the next level. Let's act like real men that we are. Abi boy. So you say reason now.
Okay, I'm thinking about it. Okay.
Let's make money. Let's make more money. You
Okay.
understand?
Okay. I'll think about it.
Okay.
Okay. What do you suggest we do now?
Now your brain come reset. You know what we go do now? I see be like this.
My friend, drop that thing there. Huh? Drop it there. What kept you so long?
I had to watch the glass.
That's why it took you forever to get me a glass of wine. And what are you still doing there?
To watch and get answers for the sudden hate. You promised me love. Now you hardly want to see me.
Look, I have a lot on my mind right now and I don't want to be distracted.
Am I really a distraction? Very well then. Let me go.
Huh? No, don't go. Come on.
No, I have to go.
You're not a distraction.
You said I'm a distraction.
No, I was joking. No, I miss you. I miss you. What is it?
My king, this useless useless slut wants to ruin my home. And I will deal with her today.
How do you mean? What are you talking about?
This fool polluted the royal bed.
How do you mean?
Your useless son was caught sleeping with her. And you know it's against the law of this palace.
In as much as I know, it is not a criminal case. It's not punishable by death. She has to leave the palace. And not to come back!
Shut up! Let me get out of here before I smash your head. Please, ma'am. Get out! Useless slut. Look at her.
My son.
I am so disappointed. How could you?
Mother, I was...
You were too loose to realize that you're a prince. The next heir to the throne of this great kingdom. Now she has been banished from this palace.
You sent her away? It's entirely my fault, Mother.
Will you shut up? Your father is the one that keeps the rules. And he did not hesitate to throw her out when she admitted sleeping with you. Why don't you just concentrate and focus on Amanda, your girlfriend? And then present her to us. My king. My king. You're not saying anything.
What do you want me to say? You've said it all. My prince. The prince of Igbo kingdom. Did you? Did you do it? You're not saying anything.
You're so beautiful.
Thank you.
You're my ideal woman. Perfection of beauty.
Really? Thank you.
As long as I have you in my life, I have everything I want.
Really?
Yes, and you've been making me happy and I don't want to live without you. I really need you.
I need you too.
You're perfect, just the way I want it.
I know.
My prince, greetings. You sent for me.
Oh yeah, get us a bottle of wine and glasses.
Bottle of wine and glasses?
Yes, please. Hurry up.
Okay, my prince.
Good. Yes, sweetie.
Mm.
Oh, baby, something. Yeah.
So, when are we going for the shopping?
Maybe it's your call. Whenever you're ready. Now I'm all yours. I'm all yours.
My prince. Here's your bottle of wine and glasses.
Good.
Extremely chill.
Good.
Let's place it. Top
I
notch.
like it.
Why is this glass dirty?
I don't understand. How do you mean?
My friend, will you shut up? How dare you talk to my guests disrespectfully? Are you mad?
I'm sorry, my prince.
But no buts! Just get out! Meanwhile, take this. Take it! Rinse it and bring it back. Don't waste my time.
You heard her. What are you still waiting for? My friend, take this rubbish and... Baby, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Please, don't mind him. You know, these domestic staff, sometimes they can be disrespectful. I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
So sorry. So sorry. So,
You know, sometimes they can be very stupid. Very, very stupid. Exactly that guy. He's very stubborn. I can see it. Babe. There is something I really want to discuss with you, but I don't know how to. I know at the end of the day you might end up hating me, but I just want to come out clean to you. Because I'm falling in love with you. Like, I'm madly in love with you. So I just want to come out clean to you.
It's okay. It's alright. It's alright. Listen. Whatever it is, I can handle it.
How can she humiliate me like this in front of the prince? A girl I brought into the palace. This girl has grown wings, so much wings. I can't even relate with her. Hello, Uka. Uka, please, I'm coming to your house. Wait for me. I'm coming now.
Is that her coming? Is that her coming?
Uka, why is she not here yet? I thought she's supposed to be here before even I got here. So what's happening? Why is this girl in question? Why is she not here? What's going on?
My brother, I have been having this strange feeling about that girl. I just hope it's not what I'm thinking.
Are you asking me? Were you not the one that I commended her?
You are free to use your brain and think whatever you want. I don't care. Okay? I don't.
How dare you talk to me like that? Are you mad?
I'm not mad.
Have you got nuts?
Nope.
What's wrong with you, Amanda?
Amanda, you have forgotten your place as regards this business. I will...
And you will what? Will you shut up your mouth? Can you imagine? Look at this stupid ordinary driver. You're talking to the future queen. Are you aware of that? How dare you? Well, let me remind you that overtaking is allowed. Oh yes.
And let me also remind you that overspeeding causes accident.
Oh really?
Yes.
Well, I don't have time to banter words with you guys. I'm going back to the palace. Yeah.
Amanda! Yeah. Amanda! Come back here!
Hey! Hey, whoa! You see your life? Uka, you see your life? You are the cause of everything! You are the cause of it all! You told me you trusted this girl! You told me she's your bosom friend, she's your friend, you are used to her, she's everything, she's well trusted. That's what you told me. Now look at it. An hungry girl of yesterday is now forming to be a boss lady. Now, making the best for us to follow!
But how do you not want me to trust somebody I've known for over 20 years?
I'm trusting you with this, but you failed me! Working Dalia, you failed! Just look at that girl! What check out yesterday? Now this is a lesson to you, brother. Let me just listen.
Brother, calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. You listen. This is a lesson for you to learn. When you have money, you give it to someone who is hungry. What do you get in return? Eh? No integrity. That will always let you down. If we are now, she's making the face, telling us she's now the queen to the palace.
Calm down, brother. Calm down.
That she'll see us later.
Calm down. Calm down. We'll sort this out. I will sort this out. Trust me.
Wait for your thought to
I will sort this out,
you
brother.
messed up, Italia. You messed up. Just to sort it out.
I will deal with that girl. I will deal with that girl.
My king, are you sure the queen is not coming back anytime soon?
Why all these questions? Are you tired?
No, my king.
She's not coming back anytime soon. She told me she'll be back in the evening.
Okay, that's fine.
Oh, I forgot something.
It's alright. I forgot to tell you something.
What is it?
You are a total epitome of beauty.
Of course I know that.
And I want to really appreciate and cherish you for the first time. Just sit.
What's going on?
Make sure you sit. For the first time, I'm going to tell you how beautiful you are.
Oh, that's really nice. You know what?
I like your approach.
I forgot something in the wardrobe. I have to pick it very important.
you all this one?
My brain! My brain!
My brain is not what you do. Give me all this one. My brain, I don't know what you do. Come here. Agumba! So you've not changed?
Remember, I am still the king.
Shut up! Shut up when I'm talking. You're not bloody king right now. You're still the same. Same brand dog that used to be acting as this. You can't find yourself a woman, any woman elsewhere is going to feel you need. She, you want to disgrace.
Oh, I forgot. If I man, oh, I. If I man, if I man, if I man, if I man, I don't know.
Another maiden was sent out for secretly sharing my mother's matrimonial bed.
What? Good riddance to bad rubbish. Are you serious?
Long live Prince Edochie. This idiot sitting next to you is not who she says she is.
From will you lower your voice when you talk to me? Are you out of your senses? Now who is she?
An impostor! With a very dark motive.
Really?
Yes, my prince.
An impostor?
Yes, my prince. She's an impostor. The news is all over town.
What news are you talking about?
She's a notorious prostitute. A God-forsaken nincompoop. My prince, she rebranded herself into your heart so that you fall in love with her. That is what she did.
Oh, it will save yourself distress because this young man already told me everything.
Oh, really? The stranger already told you about it, my prince.
Yes, he did.
That's good.
And I'm sure he's not entirely a stranger to you.
How do you mean like this?
How do I mean?
Prince,
all your stupid plans was made known to me. And there is no room in my life for people like you who wish me harm. Now go in there, pack all your dirty things, and leave this place. You and your cohort, right now.
You heard him.
A newsflash. The police are waiting for the both of you outside. You wouldn't want them to come in here because you'll be manhandled.
Let me remind you, I told him everything already.
You did?
Of course. Hey, baby, come here.
See you in jail.
Uka.
Have a nice life.
Bye. Bye, Felicia.
Grateful fool.
Mama David. Yeah, Mama David. Mama David, yeah.
Nina, you're welcome.
I am here for a special purpose.
Hope all is well now.
For now, all is well. But might not be well very soon.
With who now?
With you, of course. I meant to do the palm wine tapper, who asked me why I did not accompany David, your son, to pay the bride price of his wife. I was shocked to my marrows to know that David has gotten married without my consent.
Oh, no. He actually checked on you several, but he didn't see you.
Anyway, I avoided him on purpose for you to let him know why I was not to accompany him.
What could be the reason now?
Oh. Tell David, your son, not to think that he's a member of this family. You know, I don't want to do it by myself, so you tell me. Is that all right?
Ah, look at us today. Hmm? Very happy couple, free from palace drama.
You can say that again, my love. I don't know why the gods choose to bless me with a hardworking, a loving man like you, just to take care of me. But I'm just worried. I don't know why your uncle is against our marriage.
My uncle is the least of my worries. I owe nobody an explanation if I want to go to my in-laws' house.
My love, are you sure that is only anger?
Of course now. He was playing shakara, so I left him and I went.
Obi, my love, you know I love you.
I know.
Biko, please, I want you to make peace with him. Peace is everything, and there is nothing like peace. Please.
My love, my uncle is a very troublesome person. Very troublesome. But it's okay. I'll make peace with him for your sake. Huh?
Thank you.
It's okay, I'll make peace with him.
Thank you. So, let me continue. Don't distract me.
I'm not distracting you. I'm only admiring you. You know.
Stop admiring me.
Have you finished washing the car?
Yes, my prince.
There was something you mentioned that was wrong with the... What's it called? Have you fixed it?
It's been fixed, my prince.
Oh, good. So, we're all ready then.
Greetings, my princess.
I want you to take me to the supermarket right now.
Yes, my
Are you
princess.
serious right now? Can't you see I'm dressed and ready to leave?
And who cares if you're dressed and ready to leave or not? When you and your cohort connived and sacked my driver, you didn't care who is going to be taking me around. Yes.
How dare you talk to me in such manner?
I will talk to you in any manner I deem fit, and nothing, absolutely nothing will happen.
I see. I will have to clip those wounds of yours.
Dare me, Edochie. Lay any of your filthy fingers on me. I will show you the tigress in me. I bet you.
Stop
you
it.
can stand it.
Stop it!
Greetings, my prince.
Imagine how you're disgracing yourself in front of a driver.
Mother, you need to talk to your daughter because she's really pushing me.
You sacked my driver. I need one now.
Egu! Egu!
You... Egu! Egu, don't you dare move that! Egu!
David! David! What is going on here?
No, good morning.
What is good about the money?
No, are we quarreling?
That depends on your answer to my question. What is going on here?
No, I am clearing my farmland for planting season.
Did I employ you to clear my farmland for me?
Now, what is this now? No, what is this? Stop all this nonsense now. Why are you doing me like this?
Me?
Yes, why are you treating me like an outsider? Like as if I'm not your late brother's son. Why are you doing this to me?
Oh. So, you don't know that you are an outsider? You are a total outsider.
Moi.
I advised your mother to let you know this before you got married, but she did not listen to me.
Moi.
Yes. You are a total outsider. If you don't know, I'm telling you now. Idiot. Come here, clearing land is my land. Anyway, I've reported this matter to King Agumba.
Mama! Mama! Mama!
David, I'm here.
Mama!
What is it?
Tell me what I need to know now! No! Tell me what I need to know.
Tell you
before
what
I do something
exactly now?
drastic. Who is my father?
Your father?
My father! Who is my father?
Oh, your father was...
Agaba is not aware that my father is late. He's not. Tell me now, who is my father, Mama?
Greetings. The king summoned you and your son at the palace.
What does he want from us?
Agaba reported you and your mother at the palace.
My duties with humility. I say good son of
Your Majesty, I just explained to you that this boy standing here is not the biological son of my late brother. And when I advised him to depart from my land, he threatened to deal with me.
Mama David, why not allow this boy to go back to his father's people? At least he will partake in property sharing. Or better still, have a farmland to cultivate on.
My king, oh no, please, I'm begging you all to please ask my mother to tell me who is my father. Otherwise,
Igwe Agumba here is your father.
Woman, I hope you know the enormity of the offense of what you just said. It turns out to be a lie. How can you say the king is his father?
I was a palace maid during the time of Igwe Mbaka. And Igwe here was his prince. He lured me into.
Good day, my prince.
Thank you. And why is everywhere still looking dusty?
I'm sorry, my prince. I'm still on it.
Okay. You know I can actually make your work here easier and interesting.
I know, my prince.
Come on. Sit. Come on. Sit down. Let's talk. I've been observing you for a while and I really admire your hard work. So, I decided to help you.
Thank you, my prince.
I want to help you get your salary increased. And above all, give you the opportunity of becoming my close friend. You know that comes with a lot of gifts.
I know, my prince. Thank you so much.
And I want that to be a secret between the both of us. You know what? Just find your way here tonight and let me give you my first gift.
Tonight?
Of course. But please do not let anyone know. I want it private. Come on.
Okay.
Cheer up. Come on, go.
Okay, my prince.
You're welcome. Come to the bed.
I understand, my prince.
Come on. Be comfortable. Just come to the bed.
No, don't worry. I'm fine here, actually.
Okay. Come on. I want to make love to you.
My prince, I'm sorry. I can't. I've not done it before. I'm sorry, I can't.
If you don't do it now, I will tell everyone who cares to listen that you sneaked into my room. So,
Please, I'm sorry, I can't.
come back here.
My prince.
You've been standing here for a very long time. Could you say something?
My prince, there's something very urgent I need to share with you. Please.
Something very urgent.
Yes, my prince.
And what could that be?
My prince,
Will you say something? And let me tell you, if it's about you spending the night here, it's a no. You know very well that my wedding with Princess Annie is in few days. Oh,
Baby.
my princess.
Good in my prince. And what are you doing here instead of cleaning?
Could you imagine this useless girl? She can't even clean the room properly. Just take a good look at the room. Will you get out of this place? I said leave! Nonsense. My princess. How are you? You okay, right?
I'm good.
As you can see, I'm good. Don't mind this useless girl.
It's okay. It's alright. Just forget about her.
So, how have you been?
Good.
You sure?
Yes. I do not know what your game is in this palace. And honestly do not like the way you were staring at the prince, my husband to be. You know what? Take this money and leave this palace. Or you risk having me as your worst nightmare as soon as I become the next princess. Shut up. Take this money and leave. I do not want to hear anything from you. Take. And no one should hear this. My son threatened to kill himself if I don't tell him who his father is.
Ijoma, why didn't you tell me all these years?
I was scared, Igwe. I
thought you'd been sacked from this palace. How dare you show your face here again?
So you intentionally sent the future king of this land away because he refused to have a carnal knowledge of his stepmother.
What? What is she talking about?
Sacrilege! Absolute sacrilege! What are you talking about?
Igwe, you can check his left leg. He has the same birthmark like you.
Come. Let him be! I do not need a soothsayer to tell me that he is my son.
David! Father, what are you talking about? This imposter? What happens to me? I am still the prince of this kingdom. I am the heir to the throne. It's my inheritance. What are you talking about? Him? You will never get it. You better not even try. You better not try. I'll deal with you. Nonsense!
Ha! He can run for all I care. David, you are my son. Let the preparation for the coronation begin. Come to your father.
Rubbish. Total nonsense.
Mom.
David!
Una forgot if I oh I if I alone the mekwana if any zone I have a different I don't need no balance. I have a different every secret has expiry day. One day now, one day. The matter I'm a secret will be exposed. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Nothing, nothing you do behind closed doors. Someone is watching. Hey, Makanoku nagawara, anya nagawara na foya. Napo weba kemwe no fe, tibora kamado inugo. Hey, if an alone the mekwana. If any nezole. I have a different I don't need no balance. I have a different every secret has expiry day. One day now, one day. The matter I'm a secret will be exposed. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Nothing you do behind closed doors. Someone is watching. Hey, Makanoku nagawara, anya nagawara na foya. Napo weba kemwe no fe, tibora kamado inugo. Hey, if an alone the mekwana. If any nezole. I have a different I don't need no balance. I have a different every secret has expiry day. One day now, one day. The matter I'm a